Hey there, everybody. Okay, so we passed the Poly English demo, and after the demo, we still have to do the training. Okay, so basically for Poly English, the first step is the basic information. Well, for the application part, right? This is the first step, basic application, and then the device test. It will take about 2 minutes each, and then moving on to the pronunciation test, it'll take about 3 minutes. So you're going to read something, and then after that is the demo video. So it's a mono demo. They will send you a link to the demo lesson, and you're gonna have to do it. So I did mine in class in. I just recorded the whole thing, and then I sent my email to my. I sent my demo to my Google Drive, and then I sent my demo video via Google Link. And I think you can send as much demo video as you can. If nag-fail ka, send lang ulit. Fail, send, fail, send. I think nakailang send ako because the first demo lesson that I sent to them was a different I used a different lesson material with a real student, a live student. Okay? And then after that, failed yun. So, ginamit ko yung demo lesson nila. And nag-fail siya because hindi nila ma-open yung Google link ko. So, nag-resend ulit ako and ginawa kong public yung yung video sa Google ko. And I think nakita na nila. So now we are moving on to the training part of Poly English. So dito na tayo sa training. It'll take about 50 minutes daw. Pero before we start, meron silang they will send you this one instructions. So you have to read and follow the instructions carefully, right? How to start recording. Kasi i-record mo yung demo. Not demo, yung training yung i-record mo. Tapos i-review nila. So this is like user guide ng classroom nila. Anyways, we are going there. So just click here daw. What should I do in the classroom? Para katulad lang to sa sa ACADSOC actually. So andito na tayo. This is the Poly English teacher training. Welcome. Please click this one to turn the page. So click lang natin yan. Anyways. Sorry. So basahin lang natin ng maigi kung ano yung mga nakasulat dito. So there are 3 sections: app operation guidance, courseware navigation and trial lesson preparation, and key policy highlights. Okay, tapos dito na tayo sa first section, the app operation guidance. So meron dito read and practice. So mapapractice mo rin paano gamitin yung app nila. Okay, for example, students window exploration. There is no real student in the classroom now. So we would like to emphasize some fundamental functions under the student's window first. The student's window is right under the teacher's window. So dito tayo sa taas, student sa baba. And then click the mic to mute or unmute the students, just like sa class in. Click to mute and unmute. Unmute, click again. And then click start to reward the student, this one. Okay. And then, pen authorization. So just like sa class in, meron din ganito si class in. Meron din sila Poly English. Ganito, pen authorization. Just click this one to authorize the pen, and to take back the authorization, just click the 2 ways. This one and this one daw para makuha mo ulit yung authorization. While in authorization, you cannot interact with the page because the student has full control. Unlike sa class in, kahit na i-authorize mo si student, may control ka pa rin sa classroom. Right? So, si student, pen lang ang control niya. Pero dito, kay Poly English, pag na-authorize mo si student, so that means si student ang may control ng classroom. So, kailangan mo siyang i-deactivate or de-authorize. So, you have to click this one and this one together. Maybe not together. Pero, both sila i-click mo para makuha mo ulit yung pen. And you can have control of the classroom. Please click the button that can be used to authorize the student. So this one. Ayan. Okay. So, ganito ang gagawin natin sa training video pag mag-video na talaga, magre-recording. Please click the button to reward the student on this page. This button.
Good job.
Good job. Okay, so remember, in the classroom, we recommend that teachers give 15 to 20 stars per class. Giving too few stars may not effectively motivate the student. Yeah. Gusto nila marami silang stars. For me, normally, I will just give 10 stars. But actually, marami na nga yung 10 stars. Madamot ako sa stars. But anyways, remember this, naka-highlight siya. So, ibig sabihin, lalabas yan sa questions mamaya. 15 to 20 stars per class. Please click the two buttons to end the authorization on this page. So, eto, this one and this one.
Good job.
Yan. Okay, whisk through the sidebar. So, meron din siyang sidebar katulad kay class in. So, meron siyang pen, text, and the arrow to move things, and the eraser, and the bin para ma-clear lahat. Okay, which sidebar button can be used for drawing and doodling? The pen. You want to delete all the content on the canvas, which sidebar should you click?
Good
bin.
job.
Turning pages with ease. There are many steps that can be switched even on the same page in Poly English courseware. You can see there are two, this one, yung arrow tapos meron siyang harang sa harap or yung arrow na walang harang. The outer arrow na may harang is used to switch to the next page, while eto siya, yung walang harang sa labas. The inner one na arrow is used to switch to the next step within the same page. Okay.
What animal is it?
Okay. So, kasi meron siyang audio. Parang in between meron siyang audio. So, dapat pindutin mo lang yung ganito na arrow. Yung ganito na arrow. And then this one is for the next page na. Yan. Okay, now click button, this one. Now to reveal all the animals on the right picture.
What animal is it?
Okay, what animal is it? So we can see na merong elephant and tiger. Meron pang monkey and giraffe, dog and cat, penguin and bird. So ilan sila lahat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 animals. See? How many animals are there in total on the previous page? Merong 8. Buti na lang count tayo.
Good job.
Good job. Okay, catalog and TG in the bottom bar. You can find the catalog of your courseware on the bottom bar of the left side. Drag the TG or teacher's guide. Meron ding teacher's guide window on the bottom of the right side to somewhere else on the screen. Okay, eto. There's a teacher's guide sa pinakababa ng screen. Walang ganyan si class in. Okay. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Course material can be navigated in different pages using the catalog bar. The TG window is fixed and position and cannot be removed. Incorrect. So this one is incorrect.
Good
diba?
job.
Okay. Capture the moment. Okay. Now take a moment to check your background. Make sure it's tidy and clean. At least a white wall. Oh my gosh, wala akong white wall. Using decorative items such as colorful banners, toys, or logos or educational element is even better. Wala akong ganyan. Check your lighting, dressing, and camera angle to make sure they are appropriate. This will be evaluated in this training session and your future classes. Okay, so hindi ko pa magagawa to ngayon because gulo pa ang bahay namin. I don't have the white background and for sure wala akong mga educational stuff. Okay, anyways, moving on. Magpies. Click one of the magpies to demo how to play this game. Ano ba ang magpie? This one?
Magpie.
Oh. Okay, so yan ang magpie. Please authorize the student in real class by clicking the authorization pen or the wand, magic wand button, and instruct the student to click the rest of the magpies. So since wala tayong student, tayo lang muna.
Magpie.
Click.
Magpie. Magpie. Magpie.
Good job.
Good job. Tapos pag nagkamali, wala. Oh, walang reaction. Kasi nagsasabi yan ng, uh-oh. Okay. Common mistakes students make. Students tend to circle owls because of the design. Okay. See picture. Please ask student to click rather than circle. Kasi minsan, ginagamit ni student is yung pen to circle. So, this one, instead na pen ang gamitin nila, use the pen, this one, para i-click. May ganito din si class in actually. Okay, so katulad neto, circle lang. Okay, so ganito yung sidebar nila. As you can see, nandyan yung hand, yung arrow, yung pen, yung text, eraser, and bin. Katulad kay class in. Wala lang bin si class in. But you can erase the whole thing. Just use the backspace or the delete button. Wala namang button. Dito lang sa keyboard. Anyways, what can you do if students use pen to circle instead of clicking on this page after you give them authorization? So use finger or mouse to instruct them to click, not circle.
Good job.
Help students switch from pen to the hand. Pen to hand. When you click an interaction area on the courseware, such as this page, but nothing happens, what might be the reason? Choose two right answers. Okay, so either hindi mo na bigyan si student ng authorization or you did not
Good
select
job.
the hand item. Sticker Wonderland. Oh, may pa-sticker sila. Oh, this is nice. Much better than the class in. We offer a library of stickers and images we have curated to help you better engage with your students, such as ice breaking or providing rewards. Okay, so may pa-rewards na din sila. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-copy-paste from Google ng stars. Okay, I like this. Click the cloud button to see what happens. Oh, this one. Right under the bin, we have the cloud button. So pag na-click nyo yan, andyan lahat ng mga rewards or stickers. Double-click mo lang. Double-click the fish if you want to give the fish or butterfly. And then, pag nag-double-click, pwede mo siyang gawing malaki or maliit using this one. And then, content. So, merong mga medals and all that, ice cream, and so on. Nice, nice. Okay, so meron silang ganito, yung jar and yung ito, aquarium? No, not aquarium. Fishbowl. Ito yung mga classics sa Akansok na pa-rewards. Penny jar and fish tank. Yeah, this is a very, very classic Akansok reward. Anyways, make the reward system. Okay. So you can use the two-themed fish or candy jar. Yeah. Or fish tank. Or you can also create other rewards based on your preference, such as plate of fruits or a wall of stars, etc. Students love secondary reward systems, so make sure you utilize one in your classroom. Okay, so you see, in this class, aside from the stickers, giving rewards to students is one of the most important methods. How many stars should be given per class to meet our requirements? O, diba? Kanina, nasa ato kanina, is it 3 to 5, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, or more than 20? That was 15 to 20. Yeah. Okay, section 4, navigation and trial lesson preparation. So if yung galing ka kay ACADSO, parehas lang sila. Merong ice breaking, lead in, lesson proper application, conclusion. So almost same lang na ways of doing trial lessons. Meron silang breaking in, ice breaking, and lead in. On this page, you should welcome the student, greet them, introduce yourself, ask for their name, introduce the lesson. So same lang ng ginagawa natin. Greet the student. Hi, welcome to Poly English. Introduce yourself. Greet them. Hi, nice to meet you. My name, number 3, introduce yourself. My name is Teacher Ivy. What's your name? Ask for their name. What's your name? Oh, hi, Mia. Nice to meet you. How are you? Fine, thank you. Okay, let's introduce the lesson. Okay, so Mia, today we're going to learn about phonics, ABCs. Are you ready? And then you can start your class, your lesson proper. Ito yung ito yung demo lesson nila. Can only birds fly? So as you can see, meron tayong dito, oh. Here is some teacher talk for your reference. So pwede mo lang siyang gamitin. Like, good morning, welcome to Poly English. My name is Teacher Ivy and I will be your teacher for today. What's your name? Anna. Nice to meet you, Anna. And then use a little handshake, a little hand toy, or shake hands. So, yung normal na shake hands natin, TPR. How are you? Take out your feelings flashcard. I don't use feelings flashcard. But if you do, you can use that. How old are you? 5, 6, 7, 8 years old. Look outside. How's the weather today? Wait, titingin ka rin sa labas. Look outside. Oh, it's a sunny day today. How about you? How's your weather today? And look at the screen. What can you see? You can see a bird. Today we will talk about, can only birds fly? Ayan. So, meron na silang paganyan para hindi ka na maubusan pa ng English. Okay. Guided questions, visible only to teachers. So, meron pa tayong ganito para madali yung lesson natin. Like, point to any picture. I think I pictured tayo dito sa lesson mismo now. What's this? What color is it? What color? What food? What animal do you like? Can you count from 1 to 5 or 1 to 10? Do you have any toys? What's your favorite toy? So parang lang siya, short talk, pero related to lesson.
What animals do you know?
What animals do you know?
What animal is it? What animals do you like?
What animal is it? What else do you like? I like the tiger. Wow. Commercial. Okay. If the student won't speak when you first meet, what would you do? Select all that applies. Use TPR, use props. Don't stop eliciting them to talk until they respond.
Good job.
Okay, those are the things that we will do. What questions can you ask if you have above-level students on the lead-in page? Yung mga marunong na. Select all that applies. The color is this animal and which animal can
Good
fly,
job.
swim, walk, etc. Lesson proper. So you should ask the student to read words and sentences, repeat 2 to 3 times, correct their pronunciation or any corrections that you need to do, explain difference between firefly and firefly singular and plural. Write emphasis on the phrase are not in the sentence. Fireflies are not birds. They are not birds, but they can fly. It's because the lesson was, can only birds fly? No. Diba? So,
It's quiet all
hindi
over.
lahat
I
ng
wonder
bird,
who can
hindi lang
fly
birds
and
ang
be my
nakakafly.
friend. Hi there. Can you fly and play with me?
No, I am a lion. Lions cannot fly. Look for birds.
Interactive
They
ng
can
ano nila.
fly.
The
Okay, I'll find
platform.
them.
I like
Thank
it.
you.
Very colorful and user-friendly, child-friendly.
Hi there. Are you a bird?
Yes, I'm an owl. Owls are birds.
Okay, have S click and find all the owls ata to.
Owl. Owl. Owl.
Owls.
Owl. Owl.
Good job.
Drag and say. So yung wings. Mali. Mali. But this one's a student ang
Good
gagawa.
job.
Very interactive. And then, papabasa mo kay students. Owls have got wings.
Can owls fly?
Owls can fly. O tsaka may pa-video pa sila sa lesson nila. Diba? And then, ipapabasa mo to kay student. Owls can fly. Look and read. Owls are birds. Owls have got wings. Owls can fly. Alright, so pabasa mo rin kay student.
Can you fly and play with me?
Sure.
Part 2, lesson proper. Okay? So, dito na yung papasok yung mga TPRs natin.
Hi. Are you birds?
No, we are fireflies. We are not birds, but we can fly too.
All the fireflies.
Firefly. 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 Firefly.
Good job.
I like their lesson. I like their platform. Very nice. Very interactive talaga. I
Good
like
job.
it. And then pabasa mo kay student, fireflies have got
Can
wings.
fireflies
But they
fly?
are not birds. Nice. I haven't seen a real firefly before, or fireflies. Never seen fireflies before. Very nice. Okay, next. Fireflies are not birds. Have got wings and fly. So, papabasa mo yung kay
Can you
student.
fly and play with me?
Of course.
Let's move on. What could be the TPR action word for faster? Okay.
Good job.
The student can pronounce the word firefly. The teacher asks the student to say the word like robot and widen the screen to show the student. Is this a good practice? Yes.
Good job.
Part 3 application. Malapit na tayo matapos. Ay, nasa slide 50 na tayo. Let's go through as a student questions about owls and fireflies. Okay, review na to. This is the review part. Teach them how to answer yes or no question. For example, can you run? When sinabi nilang yes, they have to correct them. You have to say, yes, I can. Use TPR, like the action word for run fast. Dragon silly.
Owl.
Ow.
Wings.
Wings.
Fly.
Fly.
Firefly.
Fly.
Birds.
Birds. Summarize what was discussed in the lesson. So in today's lesson, we learned about animals that can fly. Assess the student's understanding of the lesson's content. And then, tanong mo lang, so, what do you think? Can only birds fly? Yes, no. So the answer is no, because butterflies are not birds, but they can fly. Butterflies are not birds, but they can also fly. Good job. And then politely end class. Okay. So wow, very good job. I know you understood our lesson very well. Good job. Right, so thank you so much for having me tonight, and I will see you again next time. Bye, Anna. Have a great evening. See you next time. End class. See you next time. Okay, so yun lang. Meron pa silang extension. For example, hindi pa tapos yung oras niya. Okay, so may extension pa. What can I? Right, so click lang, click. You won't have enough time to go over each slide because the student arrived late for class. You have another class right after. What should you do? Find all the right answers. Okay. So in this case, the late student, tapos hindi mo na matatapos yung lesson kasi nga late siya, di ba? So, may isa ka pang class right after yung student, hindi ka pa rin late. Ano gagawin mo? Set expectations by letting the student know that since they entered late, they'll have both to speed up a little bit with the lesson. Yes. Regardless of how little time you have left, always briefing the lesson appropriately. Your action will be what they remember most, and remember, don't be late for the next class. And prioritizing providing pleasurable learning experience over contemplating the entire lesson. Over completing, sorry, entire
Good
lesson.
job.
Okay, other tips. During the class, you often give students to pronounce accurately. Come and try it. Give it a try. Please click on the speak again.
Magpie.
Magpie. Magpie. Char. Love this.
Penguin.
Penguin.
Mouth.
Mouse.
3 triceratops.
3 triceratops. Animal and the animation adventure. So click this one, the hand one. Where teachers can check some of the clickable interactive by clicking on the hand button in the upper corner. Oh, grabe. Super interactive talaga yung ano nila. Platform. Click the light bulb on the right corner to pop up hidden video cards. Okay. This one. Oh, may konting pa video sila. Like 10-second video clip. What animal do you see? No, whales. Are you sure it's a whale? No, those aren't whales. Those are dolphins. Oh, charot. Okay, so this can be a conversation video. Kausapin mo lang si student and so on. This one, Harry Star Idea. The Q tag stands for must ask questions, and the I tag means important supplementary information. Always click them each time you see them to avoid missing out on crucial teaching moments. Okay, so pag may nakita kayong Q and I, this one, Q. What is a baby dog called? What have these two puppies got? A puppy is a baby dog. Okay.
My name's Harry.
What do we like about animals? I like baby animals. This is my cousin, Toby. And look, puppies. A puppy is a baby dog. The puppies have got a bed and a ball.
What's the correct description about trial lessons? Find the right answer. Teachers should closely monitor the progress bar, ensure that all trial lesson content is completed on time regardless of the student's proficiency level. Teachers can flexibly adjust the lesson pace based on students' proficiency level, prioritizing students' learning of all, yeah. During the trial lessons, teachers should be enthusiastic, use varied body language. Teachers, okay. Use the correct description about regular lessons. So, lagyan nyo lang ng correct answer. Regular courses to cover all the materials. There's no chance to redo it. Thus, teachers should start on time and follow the recommended pace. All regular courses have 5 parts, and the time allocation are 3, 5, 10, 3, 5, 6, 10, and 2. What? Repeat lesson proper.
Good job.
Come on. This is the third part of the regular class. How much time should I spend on this? Third part. Nakalimutan ko to. Oh my gosh. So, 6 minutes.
Good job.
There are some important policy-related details. Please complete them and strictly adhere to them in future courses. After you join us, we will provide more policy-related information, so please stay tuned. Okay, the class duration is 25 minutes per lesson on LingoStart. If I start the class 5 minutes early, can I finish 5 minutes early as well? No.
Good job.
I finish my class before the planned end time. What can I do?
Good job.
Fun behaviors are absolutely not allowed. Absolutely not allowed. Yeah, this one's not allowed. Of course, it's not allowed. No. No. Shh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no. Lack of props in one single class is not. Okay.
Good
Okay.
job.
I hereby acknowledge and agree, blah, blah, blah. Okay. And that's it. That is the end of our training demo. So we will proceed now to the training part na kailangan mong i-record. But I'm not gonna do it tonight because it's nighttime. And again, wala akong matinong background at the moment. But I hope this helps to those who wants to apply here at Poly English. So punta lang kayo sa polyenglish.com or hanapin niyo sa Facebook Poly English. For sure, makikita niyo ang application process or ano man yung gagawin niyo. But just in case, kung magahaw pa rin kayo, basic information. Punta kayo dito, teach.polyenglish.cn/new. Basic information, hingin nila yan. So, mag-upload ka dito mismo. Device test, gagawin mo yan. After that, pronunciation test. Mabilis lang to. After that is the video, demo video. So, magsisend sila sa'yo ng demo lesson na gagawin mo. It's a mono lesson. So, ikaw lang mag-isa. Just pretend that you have a student. Meron naman akong video netong demo lesson nila. So, you can watch that or you can go to YouTube and find some demo videos ni Poly English doon. And then, pag napasa mo yun, training, 50 minutes. Anyways, yung demo video, pasa ka lang ng pasa. Pag nag-fail ka, pasa ka lang ulit. Fail, pasa lang ulit hanggang sa matanggap ka. Training and documents checks. Your documents check is this one. NBI and local police station clearance. Para sure sila na hindi ka criminal. Oh my gosh. Paano pag may record ka, diba? Joke. Pero I think wala na tayo record. Upload the documents photo to your teacher's portal once you receive all the information should be clear and readable. So para maging clear and readable, meron akong application sa cellphone, the CS cam scanner. Para clear na clear yung documents. As in. So hanggang dito lang muna. That's it for Poly English. Oh, and by the way, magda-download pala kayo ng application nila, Poly English Teaching App, Windows and Mac. So, hindi pa ako nag-submit ng recording ng training. So, ito yung app. So, this is what the app looks like. I don't think you can see it now. Pero, just download it and makikita niyo ang classroom nila right after you download it. So anyways, that's it for today. Thanks so much. See you next time. Have a good day or good evening. Bye.